National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Pickaway County, northwestern Ross County in southwestern Ohio, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Washington Courthouse, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Sabina, Williamsport, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Staunton, Good Hope, Frankfort, Clarksburg, Milledgeville, Octa, Austin, Jasper Mills, State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 35, Plano and Rock Mills. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 63 and 68.